We would like to begin by thanking you for giving us this opportunity to participate in the Grand Coin Challenge. We at SENSEL are addressing problem number 3. This slide is just referring to the problem statement and a more detailed description of it, as listed in your web page. SENSEL Telematics Private Limited is a completely bootstrapped MSME, having about 50 employees today. Over the years, we have built excellent capabilities in design and deployment of advanced telematics solutions, comprehending both hardware and software. Today, we have more than 1,000 customers using our telematics and fleet management solutions. Our solutions have also been deployed in a few countries in Africa and the Middle East. Here is a quick review of the vaccine supply chain in India. Manufacturers like the Serum Institute ship the vaccine boxes to GMSTs or the state vaccines stores. Further, the vaccine boxes go through several cold storage points before eventually reaching the final session site. Here is another detailed view of the distribution network, also indicating the different modes of transport as the vaccine moves from source to the final destination. As already proven by the EVEN initiative, real-time temperature monitoring at the cold storage points, with data upload to a central database, is definitely possible and extremely beneficial. But this real-time monitoring is certainly a more challenging proposition during transportation, because, as you can see here, there are multiple modes of transport coupled with a diversity of agencies involved. Somewhere it is air cargo, elsewhere a refrigerated truck, somewhere else a refrigerated van. At the last mile, in some places, the vaccines are transported with just a shoulder vaccine carrier. What about temperature and location monitoring at this final stage, and the consequent risks? SENSEL's product ASSET-SMART temperature very comprehensively solves the problem 3. It's a compact device that can be easily fitted onto any box of vaccines, as can be seen in the pictures here. This enables end-to-end monitoring and security, right from the manufacturing stage till the final outreach stage. This slide lists some of the key features of ASSET-SMART temperature device. Please refer to the product specification document for more details. ASSET-SMART runs on a rechargeable battery. The extreme low power design gives it the highest pings per mAh benchmark as compared to competition, meaning, for the same battery power source, it will give a much longer life per recharge. The temperature sensors used have a range from -55 degrees centigrade to +125 degrees centigrade. It has capability to connect to multiple temperature sensors or even other sensors. Equipped with a 3-axis accelerometer, it has multiple configurable intelligent update modes. You have full configurability for real-time alerts using SMSs, emails or an app alerts. The device can be very easily mounted on a portable vaccine carrier. The device has a USB power connector for charging. You can hook it up to a standard mobile charger, and even use it for continuous monitoring of stationary refrigeration units. SENSEL also builds comprehensive IVMS solutions for vehicles, also comprehending the temperature sensing of refrigerated container. This is a screenshot of the landing page in our system. You can see a summary view of the different assets, their locations and current status. This is a screenshot of a detailed temperature report. You can see the date, time stamp, location and temperature recorded at each point. This is a sample map view of the route traversed by the unit. As mentioned earlier, problem statement 3 is very comprehensively solved with this. One can monitor in real time the location as well as the temperature of the vaccines, from the manufacturing source through up till the final destination at the primary health center. or perhaps even further down to the session site. All important points in the journey, such as the GMSTs or other state district-level vaccine stores, can be geofenced to get alerts on arrival or exit of the vaccine box. The route too can be geofenced if needed. As also stated earlier, the device is capable of interfacing with multiple temperature sensors. The complete solution, including web and Android app, is already tested and deployed in field for other use cases. If needed, we can scale up the manufacturing to large numbers in a short time. For air transportation, there are certain IATA DGCA guidelines that we can comply with, but necessary documentation and approvals from airlines will be necessary. Also, there could be additional MEMC testing certifications that may have to be done. This slide just reiterates the excellent return on investment of deploying such a vaccine box-level monitoring solution. Even taking a very conservative estimate of the overheads such as reverse logistics of the devices back to source, additional personnel required, etc., one can expect a minimum 10x return on investment. Asset-SMART solution from SENSEL is ready and proven. We also have a variant that is still under test in our labs that works on LP1 technology LTE Cat-M NB-IoT. This can be a big advantage for shipments to the rest of the world. And finally, we are also willing to extend our services to related things like managing reverse logistics, etc., if that is expected of us. Finally, we would like to once again thank the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology for giving us this opportunity to participate in the Grand Coin Challenge. Thank you.